voice audible, and can you see the screen? Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. So we have 18 students who are participating. I'll take another 5 minutes. We had some net problem connecting. Here the class will go on as regular. So from your third unit, we did Maslow's theory, and Maslow's theory you have also done in your MOB in your first year. So we spoke about the Maslow's theory of needs in the last class, where first person would be interested in roti, kapda, and makan, and we had the triangular shape of Maslow's theory of needs. And as you start satisfying each need, your need becomes more intense. So पहले रोटी कपड़ा और मकान, एक बार वो मिल गया, then you want safety and security. Once that is done, then you want to grow. Once that is done, then you want to do social service. You want to be part of the society. And once that is done, you want to earn a very good name. Money is not a issue for you. You want to earn a name for yourself. And once that is done, it is a last stage where nothing is important for you. Okay. So a human being moves from that category in the bottom where there are many people. That's why you have got triangle. Many people are in the base of the triangle. And as you go on top, uh, the triangle goes on becoming smaller, and at the tip there are very few people who is known as self-esteem or self-realization. मेरे को क्या करना है भाई, पैसा लेके मेरे पास सब कुछ है, लोगों के लिए करेंगे, दान करेंगे, let me do some work for the people. So you become very indifferent to all the things for which you have been working throughout your life. So that was Maslow's theory of needs. Now there another theory that is known as Magaya's psychological motive. There are various pronunciations to this. They say it is Magu, R is silent, Magu's psychological motivation, and some people pronounce it as Magaya's. Okay, so U is silent and IRES, Magaya's psychological motives. So I would be making you conversant with both the types of pronunciations, because that is very important. You require to pronounce the names correctly. So when you say McGuire's psychological motivation, this is a psychological motivation which is in relation to the consumer, okay, consumer or consumer behavior. So what is this McGuire's psychological motive? McGuire's psychological motive is a classification system where human consumption motives. See, please try to understand the word here. Okay, very nicely given, and you should be able to point these words and point the words very carefully. He says McGuire's psychological motives or motivation is a classification system. See, please note this. You have to write as a classification system where human consumption human consumption have been organized in 16 categories. Okay. So the moment you get this word McGuire, you remember it is 16. Okay. McGuire means 16. This is the best way of remembering things. Okay. So as and when we are going through this chapter, I'll also tell you how you should remember, because sometimes it becomes very difficult for you to remember or you get confused. मैस्लो थ्योरी के लिए मैगैस लिखना, मैगैस के लिए मैस्लो लिखना, ऐसे बहुत बार हो जाता है. Many times I've seen students making these errors. So when I say McGuire psychological motives, that is, McGuire means 16 motives are there, consumption motives. 16 type के. Why a person consumes. That is McGuire psychological motives. Simple. A consumer Why does he or she consume? Why is a question. What motivates them to consume? When I say consume, it's not eating. It consumes, they pay money and they own the product or the service. What makes them do it? वो क्या चीज है जिससे वो जाके सर्विस या प्रोडक्ट खरीदी करते हैं? And then Meiger studied these consumers and he put 16 such motives that consumers have to buy any product or services. Now these 16 motives don't come just like this, it comes into 4 by 4. So this also you should remember. It comes into 4 by 4. Okay. So what is this 4 by 4? There are 4 motives and under each motive there are 4 sub motives. So there are 4 more main motives which make a consumer buy. 4 main motives which make the consumer buy. And under each motive, there are 4 sub motives which a consumer buys. Okay. Now, let's read further. This categorization helps marketing experts isolate the motives that might be involved in consumption of sales of goods. So once I come to know what is the motive that is very important for them to buy my product, I will isolate that motive. उस motive को मैं अलग करके रखता हूँ. And then I will start making my advertisement and all other things depending upon that particular motive. So there are several subdivisions of this charting. The 16 categories of motives that a consumer follows have got a charting such as whether the motives are affective or cognitive. Whether the motives are affective. You have to be very careful on spelling use of effective. It is affective. A-F-F-E-C. Affective. If you go wrong here in the spelling and you write effective or cognitive, you are going to lose 50% or plus marks because the word itself is wrong. So whether your motives are affective or cognitive, or whether they involve status growth or status preservation. Don't get confused about all these words. Okay. Let's see what they mean. You may feel that this, ये क्या है? What is this word affective, cognitive? कुछ नहीं है, बहुत simple है, very very simple. Once you get into it, you will understand. Okay. So let's get into the 4 classifications of McGuire's psychological motives. So here they say there are 4 main categories of motivations that each have 4 categories. Okay. What are the 4 categories? Whatever I have written in red here are the 4 categories. Okay, so this is 1, cognitive preservation. This is 2, cognitive growth. This is 3, affective preservation. And this is 4, this is affective growth motive. तो ये तो आपको बाय हार्ट आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You'll have to actually memorize this. Well, let's see what does it mean. So first let me see how many of you are here. Still you are 17. Okay, I will take the pick of the 17 students who are attended the class today. Okay, right. So let's take the first one, cognitive preservation motive. Okay, what is this? First one, I will first undo all the markings so that your we'll take the first one, cognitive preservation motives. Why do people buy this? They buy for consistency, causation, categorization, and cues. Consistency मतलब क्या? I'm used to buying Colgate toothpaste, so I may go on buying Colgate toothpaste. Consistency, मेरे को दूसरा जमता नहीं है. Causation, when I take this, this happens to me. Cause, because of a cause. If I have boost, मेरा height बढ़ेगा. Cause, causation. If I take Revital, I'll become immune. My immunity will increase. So I buy anything for a particular cause. Categorization. I want to buy a particular brand of car. I want to buy a particular brand of mobile. So I will put it as categorization. And cues, hints. I buy something because I get cue to buy that. For example, there are people who say now during the COVID time, have a pulse oximeter at home. It is better if you have a patient at home. You can check the oxygen concentration in his blood. You can check the pulse. So it is better to buy a pulse oximeter, which is costing around 2000 or 1500, whatever it is. So I get a cue. Somebody tells me that this is good for you. You should have this. So these are the four categories. Cognitive preservation motives. This comes under cognitive preservation motives. Now cognitive growth motives. Cognitive मतलब क्या? मेरा दिमाग सोचता है. It understands, it contemplates. Cognitive growth motive. ये क्या था? Cognitive preservation, CPM. Cognitive preservation motives. Now cognitive growth motive. So my mind says something got to do with growth. What is that growth? Not physical and vertical and positive growth. It says, I want to buy a house and I want to stay independently. Cognitive growth motive. Independent रहने का मेरे को. I want a penthouse, novelty. Teleological. Teleological is got to do something with the information. Something tells me very strongly कि मेरे को वो चाहिए, चाहिए. Whether you want it or no, you actually don't know. But it is not rational, it is teleological. Something internally tells you that I want it and you buy it. And next is utilitarian. You will buy it because you will utilize it. I want a book. I want a notebook. I want a pen. I want some clothes. I want a tiffin carrier. I want a water bottle. Because these are what you use. So you will always buy things to be independent. You'll buy things that are having novelty. You'll buy things that you feel like taking it teleologically, and you'll buy things for use, utilitarian. So these are the two cognitive theories: cognitive preservation and cognitive growth theory. Now same thing is affective. तो preservation और ये same है. Okay? Affective preservation motives. Affective tension, reduction, self-expression, ego defense, reinforcement. You will buy everything because of this. Affective preservation motives. Tension hua, there are people who suddenly start smoking. Some people will reduce some things. Tension reduction. Self-expression. Macho image. You apply X. You feel that you are the greatest man on this earth. Ego defense. I want to preserve my ego. So I wear a Ray-Ban goggles. The best. I have an iPhone. I try to show people iPhone. I've got an iPhone. Ego. मैं मेरा मेरा अच्छा brand. There are people who think about it a lot. खाने के लिए 2 वक्त का रोटी नहीं रहेगा. They may not have money to spend for their food, but definitely they will have money to buy a goggle or to buy an iPhone. Reinforcement. मेरे पास है, मेरा है, it's mine, I own. Reinforcement theory. So we put it as a affective preservation motive. Now, affective growth motive. The affective growth motive. It gets growth motive. Assertion. अच्छा लगता है तुमको. Assertive. हो, उसके पास है, मेरे पास भी है. She has it, even I have it. She has a smartphone, even I have a smartphone. Assertion. Affiliation. You get attached to it. I'm a student of KLE MBA. I'm a student of Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. I work in TCS. I work in Infosys. I work in ICICI Bank. Affiliation. You feel proud about it. Affective growth motives. Identification. If somebody asks you, what's your name? You will say, I'm Zora Zabeen and I work for TCS. They have not asked you, but you are likely to tell your affiliation because you get affiliated with that system. अच्छा लगता है. Somebody asks, ma'am, what's your name? I'm Tanaz and I'm from Goa. You feel, affiliation and identification almost go hand in hand. Affiliation and identification go almost hand in hand. You feel proud about it. You like it. You feel nice. People like to be identified even by their surnames. Somebody asks the name. You could only tell the name, but you'll go one step beyond to tell even the surname. You feel affiliated, you feel identified. Okay? So when I say in consumer behavior, how affiliation identification comes. It comes with the brand that you are having. The people, friends who stay with a particular brand for a very, very, very long time, they are identified with the brand. They'll say, that fellow, Hamdard's fellow. Ask him anything, he will tell Hamdard ka tonic lo, Hamdard ka goli lo, Hamdard ka wo lo. That fellow is Hamdard fellow. So he gets identified by the product that he has been using or uses throughout. You will see some people who have got a very peculiar color of their house. They are identified with that color. I still remember there's a house when I go from Belgaum to Goa on the Savantwadi route. So once I touch the Goa border, there's a house to the right hand side, which is a purple color house. And my daughter and son, when they were about 3 or 4 years, they were saying, "Oh, purple color house." How you saw identify Goa पहुंचे? Oh, purple color house आया, purple color house आया. The moment they see purple color house, now our house is only half an hour from here. So identification बढ़ गया था. Purple color house has become a identification. And believe me, today my kids are 20 years plus. Still that house is purple color. Still we identified. Still they have not changed the color. So it becomes a identification. So some people will buy. So that man will buy purple color for his identification. So if you're wondering, consumer behavior or consumer खरीदी का identification के साथ क्या ताल्लुकात है? ताल्लुकात इसलिए है that person is a consumer of a purple color house, purple color paint. For last 20 years he's been using that. So he is identified by that color. There are many things that we get identified by. It may be our lipstick. There are people who use dark lipstick. We get identified by a very specific type of shoes that we wear. Woodland shoes. I never use anything other than woodland shoes. So he gets identified by woodland shoes. Right? So like that. Each one of you also must be having an affiliation and identification of a product. आपको वही अच्छा लगता है. There are people who buy only Reynolds pen, even today, the white color pen with a blue cap. Still they're comfortable using that pen when they write. So this is how we say affective growth motives. So it is assertion, affiliation, identification, and modeling. Modeling is not the ramp walk that it is. It is you'd like to show your product to people. So Magger's psychological motive worked wonders because many people started making advertisements based on the 16 categories of purchase. So these 16 were very, very important. So it was 4 into 4. So what was the 4? 4 words you have to remember here. One is cognitive and affective. Cognitive and affective. Next you have to remember what? It is cognitive preservation. CP. Cognitive preservation and cognitive growth. है ना? So CP, CG, AP and AG. है ना? So cognitive, I'll take a highlighter and I'll take the spotlight. So it is cognitive and P is preservation. Okay, and here it is affective, cognitive preservation, cognitive growth. Affective preservation, affective growth. So even if you write this matrix, you will get 80% of the marks. But you have to remember all the 16 categories of the consumer behavior in the McGuire psychological motives. Okay. Well, I have 21 participants right now. So I will consider the other two also because you come from a holiday, but from next class, the attendance would be in 5 minutes, not more than that. Please stay tuned in. Plus or minus time may change a little here and there, but your work, friends, is to stay tuned in on a particular time. If we are not able to take class, we will definitely put a message and tell you what time the next class is. We won't waste your time far as possible. If the message doesn't come, understand that within 2-3 minutes, the classes will start. Okay. So today, Pallavi madam also reached a little late because it was a holiday. They had been to their native place. Small things you have to consider. So hope you have had a 3 days fantastic holiday. You enjoyed your Eid. You enjoyed your Valmiki Jayanti and your Karnataka Rajyotsava Day. And I'm sure that all the assignments that have been given to you have been sending correctly. Again, a reminder to you, friends, all your assignments, your attendance will be considered for your marking in case the exams do not happen. We do not know what will happen. So please roll up your sleeves. Another 1 month to go. I think November month, you should all attend very regularly. Start preparing your CVs. I went through all your CVs. A little mistake here and there. Don't neglect it. अगर आपके CV में mistake है, so there can be a lot of mistake in the workplace because you are unable to do a CV properly. So please see that you make all your CVs very good. Exchange it with each other. Give it to your friends and tell your friends, अरे भाई देखो इसमें क्या mistake है? Are there any mistakes in my CV? Let your friends scrutinize it very very categorically. तो बोलो अगर तो इसमें मेरे को एक मिस्टेक तो फाइंड आउट करके देता है तो मैं तेरे को एक चॉकलेट दूंगी. So they will start searching for the smallest of the mistakes. Or they'll take it, they'll सब ठीक है ले. Yeah, it's okay man. Don't do that. Okay. Please spend time with your friends' CVs. Sit. Very, very important. It's very important. Let me tell you, friends, I think we are the only college around in and around here to start off with this uh, course of online GD because we know that companies are going to do it. And when suddenly they do it, our KLE MBA students are well prepared. They know how to go about it. Mistake तो सबका होगा, लेकिन at least you have tried it. I would appreciate the way you have done and participated. See, nobody can make your life very exciting, है ना? You have to make your life very exciting. You have to make it very very happening, and that is what will make your career good, and you will feel very nice about it because you worked. Confidence आप में ही आ जाता है. Without confidence, you cannot face the interview. So the moment you participate in GDs, the moment you do your CVs very nicely, मन लगा के करो, put your heart into it and you do it. See what all you can add there. Make it the best. And when that happens, and when you go to the interview, you already know that your CV is very nice. तो आपका confidence झलकता है, आपके चेहरे पे झलकेगा. The confidence would be reflected on your face, and that is the value that you should carry. Okay. So with this daily now, I'm going to do small bits. Okay, because we are almost on 32 classes. I don't want to finish the portion too early also. So let's go little by little, take small bits and work it out. So I hope whatever are the assignments you have posted to the respective email IDs, and we'll be taking it up very soon. All right. So next class will start at the regular time, usual time. Okay, 8:40, whatever it is start, it will start. And any faculty who is absent, we may not be able to substitute his class. He will engage the class some other day on some other time and do it, because in an online class it becomes very difficult to substitute for professor is on leave. So today's class, if MB Patil sir is on leave, he will engage the class either tomorrow or day after tomorrow on a suitable time and on a suitable day. But on the same week, those classes will be completed. Right? So have a good day, and the regular class will start within 5 minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Who is
Excuse
this?
me, sir. So this is Jasvina. So
Tell me.
when the normal offline classes will be starting?
We do not know. When the government tells, we'll start. We have to get the government
So they said
instructions.
17th.
We have to
Yes,
get the
sir.
government.
So they said on the.
We have to get the VTU instructions. We follow VTU. Till
Yes, sir.
VTU doesn't give us any instructions, we cannot tell. Government keeps on changing. They'll tell today one thing, they'll tell tomorrow another thing. Only when the VTU comes, you will be informed. Everybody will be informed. Right now, we
So
cannot tell
in
anything.
third semester. So in
We
third
do,
semester, when are the exam
we do
likely to
not know
happen?
anything. The notice will come, the notice will be sent to you.
Yes, sir.
Jaswina, try to understand one thing. There is a system. We are teachers, it's a department, it's a college. There are 248 colleges in Karnataka, 33,000 odd MBA colleges in India. One rule will be applicable for everybody. And when the rule comes, it comes from the university and will inform you about such things that happen. You shouldn't be worrying about it. The moment it comes, within a minute, I forward it to the students. So that will be informed to you. Till then, be at home, be safe. You'll have enough time
Yes.
and enough information. Come on campus when it is told. So you do not worry about that. Okay, Jasmina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Thank you so much, all of you.